Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for our Cod Pangrattato. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we'll make our breadcrumbs, which is to go on top of the cod. So I've just blitzed some brown breadcrumbs, and to that then I'm going to add some olive oil and some crushed garlic. Just give that a stir around, and then we'll set that to the side. Now we're going to make up just a basic roux. So it's just some butter, some flour into a bowl. Give that a mix around until they both come together. Again, we'll just set that to the side while we make our cod. So over to our cooker, and we take a medium frying pan and we put it onto a medium heat, and to that then we add some milk. Then we're going to add the cod fillets. A bay leaf. And we'll let that poach for 4 to 5 minutes, just until the cod's almost cooked. So now we'll remove the cod while we start to make our cheese sauce. Now we're going to add the roux to our milk. Give that a stir around, bring it to the boil, just let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes until it thickens up. And at this point we'll remove the bay leaf. So now that our sauce is thickened, we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Then we're going to add our grated cheddar cheese. Again, give that a stir around. As you can see, it's come together. We've now got a cheese sauce. At this stage we taste it to see if it needs some seasoning. I felt this did, so I added some salt and some freshly crushed black pepper. Give that a stir around again, and then we're going to add our cod. So just place the cod fillets back into the sauce. Take a spoon and just cover the cod fillets with the sauce. Now we'll top that with the rest of the cheddar cheese. Then with the crispy breadcrumbs. Then we'll take that over to a preheated oven. Pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just until the fish is cooked through and the sauce is warmed. Now as you can see, the breadcrumbs have went crusty, toasted, and now our cod is ready to serve. So I've just served mine with a basic green salad. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.